Part 1. Good morning. My name is Lisa Howard. What's your full name, please?
Good morning. My name is Jason Patel.
Can I see your identification, please?
Yes, sure. Here it is.
Thank you, Jason. Now, I'd like to ask you a few questions about cities. Do you enjoy living in cities?
Yes, I do. Cities are full of energy, opportunities, and convenience. Everything you need is usually close by.
What's the biggest city you have visited?
The biggest one I visited is Mumbai. It's extremely crowded, but very lively and full of culture.
Are cities in your country becoming more crowded?
Yes, definitely. People move to cities for jobs and education, so the population keeps increasing.
What do you like most about cities?
I like the fast lifestyle, the food options, and the variety of entertainment. There's always something happening.
Do you think cities are good for young people?
Yes, cities offer better career opportunities, education, and social life, which is great for young people.
Part 2. Thank you. Now, I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then you should speak for about 2 minutes. Your topic is describe a city you think is great for living. You should say what city it is, where it is located, what life is like there, and explain why you think it is a great place to live. 1 minute preparation pause. All right, Jason, please begin when you are ready.
A city that I think is great for living is Singapore, which is a small but highly developed country located in Southeast Asia. Even though it's not very large, it is one of the most well organized and comfortable cities in the world. The first thing that makes Singapore special is its cleanliness. The streets, parks, public transport, and even markets are extremely clean. You hardly see litter anywhere. This creates a pleasant environment and shows how disciplined the city is. Another thing I love about Singapore is its public transportation system. The metro, known as the MRT, is fast, safe, and very convenient. You can reach almost any part of the city without needing a car. Taxi services and buses are also efficient, making traveling easy and stress-free. Life in Singapore is modern and very comfortable. There are shopping malls, beautiful parks, beaches, museums, and world-class restaurants. But at the same time, the city has a calm atmosphere because everything is well planned. People follow rules, traffic is smooth, and the city feels extremely safe at any time of the day. One thing that attracts many people is the multicultural environment. Singapore has people from Chinese, Malay, Indian, and many other backgrounds. This diversity makes the city culturally rich, and you can experience festivals, food, and traditions from different parts of the world in one place. Education and healthcare in Singapore are also excellent, which makes it a great place for families. Schools and universities are well known globally, and hospitals are modern and efficient. But the thing I like most about Singapore is the balance between nature and development. Even though it is a modern city with tall buildings, it has plenty of green spaces. Gardens by the bay, the botanic gardens, and the marina area are full of trees, flowers, and walking paths. It makes the city feel healthy and peaceful. Overall, I think Singapore is a great place to live because it is clean, safe, multicultural, and extremely well organized. It offers modern facilities while still providing a calm and comfortable lifestyle. If I ever get the chance, I would love to live there for a few years.
Thank you, Jason. Part 3, let's talk more about cities and urban living. Why do people prefer living in cities?
Because cities offer more job opportunities, better education, healthcare, and entertainment. Life is more convenient in many ways.
What problems do big cities usually face?
Traffic jams, pollution, high living costs, and overcrowding are common issues in large cities.
Should governments invest more in smaller towns?
Yes, definitely. Developing smaller towns can reduce migration to big cities and improve overall living conditions.
Do you think modern cities are becoming smarter?
Yes, with technology, cities now have digital services, smart transport, and better waste management. This makes life easier for residents.
What makes a city comfortable and livable?
A good transport system, clean environment, safety, green spaces, job opportunities, and affordable housing all make a city livable.
Thank you, Jason. That's the end of your speaking test.
Thank you very much.